Hello everyone. Welcome to the Construction Technology course. Today, I will provide an overview of this course. Thank you for listening. First, let's look at the nature of this course. This course provides essential professional skills for roles like construction supervisor, quality inspector, cost estimator, and safety officer in construction projects, and also basic knowledge for engineering and technical personnel in the field of architecture. The study of this course lays a solid foundation for follow-up courses such as construction organization and management, construction measurement and valuation, bidding and contract management, and engineering documentation management. It also provides strong support for students in their on-site internships, equips them with the competencies required for future job roles after graduation, and prepares them for professional certification exams. Next, the course positioning. This course is a core professional competency course and a compulsory subject. Its content demonstrates the application of new technologies and methods in engineering construction, with strong focus on practicality and innovation. The teaching focuses on student-centered learning, with teacher-led instruction and a balance of theory and practice. The instructional activities combine classroom teaching with hands-on training to develop students' professional skills and strengthen their practical competencies. The course uses modern instructional technologies, such as construction simulation software and multimedia courseware. The course assessment standards emphasize competency-based evaluation, combining formative and summative assessments. Next, let's take a look at the course objectives. First, job tasks and professional competencies. This part is shown in the following table. In earthwork excavation, hauling, and filling, you will be expected to select appropriate earthwork construction methods. In terms of foundation pit construction, you will learn to organize dewatering, excavation, and ground improvement. For masonry works, you will learn to manage construction technology and conduct quality inspections. In formwork construction, you will learn to design, install, strip formwork, and perform quality checks. Regarding rebar preparation and installation, you will learn rebar scheduling, fabrication, and quality inspections. In aggregate preparation and concrete works, you will be able to perform concrete construction technology management and quality control. In pre-stressed concrete and concrete construction, you will learn to manage pre-stressed concrete and concrete construction techniques during the process. For structural erection projects, you will learn to prepare lifting plans. For finishing works, you will learn to perform quality control and acceptance inspection. Next, let's look at the teaching objectives. The knowledge, skill, and attitude objectives of this course were developed based on research conducted in construction enterprises, as well as the talent development goals of the architectural engineering technology and construction management programs. The teaching objectives of the construction technology course are listed in the table below. Knowledge objectives. First, acquire basic methods and fundamental knowledge of construction trades. Second, understand the technical requirements of current construction codes and specifications. Skill objectives. First, select appropriate construction methods and procedures. Second, analyze and solve construction problems using technical knowledge. Third, monitor construction quality and safety efficiently. 4. Prepare construction technical plans. 5th, through intensive training, obtain professional certificates for site supervisors or quality inspectors. Now, let's look at the course content and structure. The course content mainly includes course introduction, civil engineering construction, ground improvement, and pile foundation construction, masonry construction, reinforced concrete construction, Prestressed concrete construction, structural erection, roofing and waterproofing construction, and architectural finishing construction. There are 9 chapters in total, covering more than 40 key knowledge points. Next, teaching methods and instructional tools. Main teaching methods include project-oriented instruction, task-driven learning, case analysis, on-site teaching, model demonstrations, multimedia presentations, and integrated teach and practice sessions. The primary instructional tools include multimedia equipment, architectural scale models, simulation systems, and training software. Next, let's look at the distinctive features of this course. First, this is an online open course for construction engineering technology. The course offers a comprehensive set of digital learning resources, including courseware, construction method project case studies, virtual simulation, learning guides, instructional videos, and other materials. These materials align with curriculum design standards, help students make full use of their spare time, stimulate learning motivation, and enhance their understanding, mastery, and application of construction technology and management. Second, the course is supported by rich online resources. It makes full use of ebooks, e-journals, academic databases, digital libraries, educational websites, and online forums. These support a transition from single media to multimedia instruction, shifts instruction from one-way information delivery to interactive learning, and changes individual learning to collaborative learning. When conditions allow, online construction practice training will be provided to overcome limitations of space and time, diversify the teaching process, enrich learning experiences, and support blended learning. Next, let's look at simulation-based teaching. For processes with low material consumption that can be reused multiple times, we use one-to-one scale physical simulation models. Students role play as personnel from various functional teams on the construction site to practice construction operations and management. For those with high material consumption that cannot be reused, computer-based construction simulation software is used instead. Relevant knowledge is introduced based on parameter changes, and students can role-play different roles to implement processes and plans. Simulation teaching largely compensates for real-world limitations, providing students with a near-real training environment and improving their vocational skills. The third method is on-site teaching. During teaching, teachers guide students to on-campus simulation labs and active construction sites for hands-on learning, helping them develop perceptual understanding and gain practical experience. The method emphasizes the transfer and expansion of student knowledge, providing students with time and space for independent development and actively guiding students to enhance their professional ethics, as well as cultivating qualities like honesty, trustworthiness, and strong communication and cooperation skills. Next, the teaching resources. Our school has construction training labs, building materials labs, geotechnical labs, engineering surveying labs, mechanics labs, reinforced concrete structural model training buildings, and BIM training labs. We are also equipped with multimedia teaching platforms and virtual simulation training systems developed in collaboration with enterprises. We have also achieved integration of theory and practice in teaching. Meanwhile, we actively strengthen industry-academia collaboration, establishing close off-campus training bases, and reaching an early agreement with enterprises to establish collaborative construction project bases. All these serve educational purposes. Last, let's look at the course evaluation. This course adopts an innovative assessment approach. with theoretical exams accounting for 40%, formative assessment 40%, and simulation assessment 20%. This combines both formative and summative evaluations. Alright, that's all for the introduction of the construction technology course. Thank you for listening.